Hey everybody, welcome to the renovated Sky Suite Penthouse Strip View at the Aria Resort and Casino, Las Vegas. If you are here because of the older video I have, thank you for watching both of them. This is a 036, which is classed as a Strip View. So all of these on this side are Strip View. This one is special and you have to request actually this one because this is a corner unit, so it's got a lot of different little features that the other ones don't. But anyway, here's a video of it. It's a beautiful room. I believe these are about 1,450 square feet. And this is in the Sky Suites section of the hotel on the 51st floor. These suites do come with round trip limo transportation to it from the airport. You also get access to the Sky Suite Lounge if you don't have a Platinum or Noir card to go into the VIP Lounge. They're basically the same thing. Actually, VIP, which is also shared with the Tower Suites, surprisingly now has a lot more stuff than the Sky Suite Lounge. Just kind of funny because it used to be the reverse. So you can see gorgeous views. Pier Towers, Cosmopolitan. These were all renovated last year, so everything's nice and fresh and new. We're just going to assume that's very expensive. It does say premium, so that probably means it costs more than your car payment for the month. Here's the bedroom. And this is really what's special about this. This and one other thing is you get corner views of the South Strip. And you tower over basically everything else. Is these are guaranteed high floors, so you have a nice unobstructed view of Las Vegas. And if you like watching the planes, that's cool as well. Everything is controlled by the little screen here or these touch panels right here. Yeah, room control, room service, takeout, restaurant, bars, tells you basically everything. I'm not a big fan of the pads, honestly, because they lose their charge really quickly, or at least the old ones did. Maybe these ones are better. Nice Samsung HD TV. As you can see, the windows wrap around the whole thing. The one downside here is you don't have a big closet, but it's good enough. The other major perk of these, this particular room is you have a bathroom with a window. And just remember, these windows are unfortunately very see-through, so whatever you do with the windows, the shades open, just remember that probably people can see you. It's Vegas, no one really cares, but just keep that in mind. And a little corner that way. The showers in the Sky Suites are really nice. Actually, the penthouses specifically and the villas. So you get a steam shower versus just a regular shower, which is really nice. And you get some upgraded toiletries. Let me show you these guys. And there's nothing in there. And here is the fancy toilet. They kept these guys. These are actually really cool. Front cleansing, rear cleansing, dryer. It's basically like toilet paper, but kind of weird. I'd stick with that personally, but to each their own. And of course, a toilet phone, which I'm not going to touch. that is a view of the Sky Suite penthouses. And thank you for watching.